Hello students. Let's we start the summary of from the diary of Annie Frank. So there is the first point. Writing in a diary is a strange experience for Annie Frank. It means to write a diary is a wonderful experience for Annie Frank. Annie Frank got her early education at the Montessori nursery school until she was 6, and she started in the first form, and in the sixth form she had developed such a good relation with her headmistress Mrs. Coopers that both of them were in tears on the farewell. It means Annie Frank got her early education in the Montessori nursery school until she was 6 years. She started to write from the first class. When she came in the sixth class, she developed her writing skill so good. She did the hard work to write any topic, and in her school, Mrs. Cooper had become a good relation with Annie, and when there was a farewell in the school, then the tears had come in both eyes, and Mrs. Cooper's was her mistress. She writes only to lighten the burden on her heart. Means Annie wrote the diary only to express his heart feelings and to give relax her mind, to remove her burden. She feels that paper has more patience than pupil, and after writing her feelings on the paper, Annie felt that paper has more patience than pupil, and we can write every feelings, everything on the papers. She wants to keep a diary as she doesn't have a friend. It means she wants to keep a diary because she had not any friend in her life, and she gave Kitty name to her diary when she started to write the diary. Then she named Kitty to her diary. She wants the diary to be her true friend, and she is going to call this friend Kitty. And Annie got her education in Amsterdam. She started writing her diary on 20 June 1942. It means Annie got education in Amsterdam, and with it Annie started to write her diary on 20 June 1942 and gave the name Kitty to her diary. She feels that a quarter of students are worthless and deserve to be kept back. Means when Annie was studying, then she felt that a quarter, it means 1/4 part of students are losers in the class, and they should come in back categories. According to Annie, the maths teacher, Mr. Kissing, is an old fashioned teacher. Means Annie's maths teacher, whose name was Mr. Kissing, is a simple man and had the old type thinking. She is annoyed with Annie as she talks too much in the class. It means in the class of Mr. Kissing, when Annie talked much, then her teacher ignored to her. But sometimes Mr. Kissing became angry at the Annie, and she gives her extra homework. He gives her extra homework to write an essay on a chatterbox. Means after being angry on the talkative habit of Annie, Then Mr. Chrising gave the homework to Annie, and homework was an essay on the topic a chatterbox. Chatterbox means a talkative, and she writes that she has inherited the habit of talking from her mother. Means Annie started to write the essay, and she explained that she talks much, but it is not her fault. It is a genetic character which had received from her mother to Annie. Mr. Chrising has a good laugh at her argument and gives to write another essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. Means Mr. Chrising has laughed in the class when he read the essay which has written by Annie. He laughed at the argument of Annie. It means Annie write many arguments in the essay, and after that homework he gave, means Mr. Chrising gave her next essay. The topic is an incorrigible chatterbox. It means who has not the talkative who has not improved in the talkative habit. It means, and Mr. Chrising was trying to play a joke on Annie by giving such an essay. It means Mr. Chrising was trying to make fun of Annie in the class, and again he wanted to give the homework an essay to Annie, while he had given already 2 essays for homework to Annie, and she finished the essay in verse with the help of her friend Sane. It means when the teacher, Mr. Chrising, had given again the punishment to write a new essay, and essay's name was Quack Quack Quack. It is the third essay for it is the third essay in punishment, and Annie tried to write the essay, and she took help of her friend, saying her friend helped Annie to write the essay, and Annie already had written the essays 2 times. It is the third time which has given the essay. In third punishment, she did not write essay. It means in the third essay, Annie did not write like the essays topic. She write in verse. It means like a poem in third topic, and Mr. Chrising reads the poem and masses in the right way. When Annie write the verse, means poems, then Mr. Chrising read the poem and had taken her poem in light way and told in the class the poem's line. To listen the verse of Annie, it means to listen the poem of Annie. Children started to laugh, and Mr. Chrising told her view, means told the view of Annie in the class to all the students. After that, he had allowed Annie to talk in the class. It means after that the teacher, Mr. Chrising, had allowed Annie to talk in the class, because Mr. Chrising had known that Annie will not improve her talkative habit. Talking habit. Since then a change has come in Chrising, and he has started making jokes. But after giving Three times punishment. Mr. Kissing has changed in his behavior because he had known that if nobody has not changed, then we should be changed. And now Mr. Kissing has changed to know the feelings of Annie, and he left to give the punishment to the students in the class. Okay, students, your chapter has completed.